I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to install the Driven DXS lever guard on our 2017 STG Yamaha R6 project bike. Okay, the Driven DXS lever guard. It's available in colors, of course. We're going with blue because I love blue. Blue loves me, and it looks great on this bike. This is fully adjustable. We're going to go through that as we do the install, and it also comes with hardware necessary to install it on almost any clip-on setup you have. Of course, our man Gnome, it's got full instructions included, along with exploded views. Good to go, easy peasy. We're going to focus on the OEM style mount because we still have the stock clip-ons on this R6. Okay, we're going to open up by taking off the OE bar end. Like so. That's easy enough. I've removed the OE bar end. We're going to reuse the fastener on this R6 and this bushing that came with it to install. We'll put some blue Loctite on there. Before we do that, let's go ahead and let's get the end of the blade on it. This is all adjustable stuff here. Drop that in there. Get just a little bit of blue ready. Put it on that fastener. Don't need a ton here, just a little bit. Not going to tighten this up all the way. We're just going to get it started like so. Take a quick look here. Get an idea of where we want this for length. And realistically, we should be able to use it at that tightest position. So I'm just going to go ahead and snug those up now. There's two nylon washers that are in between the fasteners and the aluminum. It should help it hold its torque. Put some blue Loctite on the fastener that we are repurposing that originally held on that OE bar end. And we'll run this down. You want to try and obviously keep this in line with that lever, okay? The idea is if you take an impact here, that this will deflect it. Torque that down. The blade itself, you're able to rotate like so. For this application, all the way in is where we're going to go. Snug that down. Remember, we've already tightened these two fasteners. Okay, and this is an OE style mount. So you're going to notice there is definitely, this is a rubberized mount for the bar end that was in there. Okay, so if we use that to mount this up, you are going to have some movement in that. Okay, you take an impact, it's going to be pretty much direct. You could also, if you chose to do so, remove the insert inside the bar, the OE bar, and then use or attempt to use one of these two pieces to install that. That, at the end of the day, is realistically going to be up to you and your personal preference. But Driven has included all of that hardware in this kit so that if you're like, you know what, I don't like the way it's moving around in the rubber, you can pull that out and then use one of these adapters to fit it. What I will say is this is most commonly done if you've installed a set of race clip-ons on the motorcycle. And that's when you're able to get this to install much firmer and much easier using some of the included hardware that you see here that'll go in there really grab hold nice and tightly so that when you snug it up, it's not moving around at all. Options available for sure. We've shown you the OE style here. We've done other videos where I've installed these in race clip-ons. I'm Brian Van. This is the driven D-axis lever guard install on our 2017 STG Yamaha R6 project bike.